guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Louis Vuitton Speedy bag from ogbags.ru. They are an online website that specializes in high quality reps, so they have so many different designers on there. But specifically, I picked out this Louis Vuitton Speedy because I thought it was so cute, and the Speedy bags definitely did make a comeback within the past 2 years. So let's get into the one that I picked out from them. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my notifications so you are aware of when I post. And dun, 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 it does come in this Louis Vuitton box. And I did want a little color to have fun with because I already own the original Louis Vuitton Speedy. I have a real one, Speedy 25. So I wanted some color. This is actually the 20. So Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. It does come with a little dust bag. And I just thought it was so small and adorable, but you can still fit stuff in here. I love the color so much. I think it's so pretty for like the fall / winter time. Love this like olive color, and the sides are kind of like a whitish cream. So cute. Love the bag so much. And at first I was like, oh, it might be too small, but it's perfect, especially if you want to wear it crossbody. It does come with the long strap to attach to it, but I wouldn't wear it crossbody. I only want to wear it like on my arm, just because it's a white strap and I wouldn't want to get it dirty. So hey, you want to be in my video? So I would only just wear it like so cute. And it does come with some stuff to put on it, so you would like have this hanging on the front, but for me personally I wouldn't want it hanging on the front, so I'm not gonna put that on there. But it does come with it, so you would loop it through on the front of your bag to have the tag. And then also it does come with the lock and keys, and I'm not gonna put that on either, just because personally I just don't want it on. But I will show you guys that it does have it, so you have that option. So here are the keys, and then you can get that lock out right here. Here's the lock. So I love that they have the option for you to do that if you wanted to. And then also there does come with like the shopping bag and the receipt for it, so it feels like you kind of got that shopping experience of going to Louis Vuitton. But yeah guys, the craftsmanship of the bag is really nice, so let me show y'all. So it has the 2 zippers up top, and it does have those 2 clasps on the side so that you can put the strap on to wear it crossbody. The inside of the bag is a pink color. Pink color, and it does have like a little back pocket. So yeah, I feel like it has a pretty good amount of space to still carry stuff in, especially like for like a nice little fall bag, winter bag. I think it's really nice. I love a good olive tone bag, so I think this is really nice, and I can't wait to wear it. So I will have this bag linked in the description box for you guys, plus a discount code so you can save some money at ogbags.ru. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Look how nice and gorgeous this bag is, so make sure y'all head over there.